Want to peek behind the curtain and see exactly what ads your competitors are running on Facebook? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to uncover any Facebook page's active and past ads in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Facebook and search for the Facebook page you want to investigate in the search bar. Once you're on their page, look for the three dots button, typically located just below the cover photo. Near the like and follow buttons, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and click on the Info and Ads option. It may be labeled slightly differently depending on Facebook's updates, but it's usually near the bottom of the menu. You'll now be taken to the Info and Ads page. Here, you'll see all the active and previously ran ads that the page has been running. You can even filter by country to see which regions they're targeting, or view ads by category to get a better understanding of the page's advertising focus. By analyzing their ads, you can identify their target audience, understand their messaging, and gain valuable insights into their marketing strategies. Now you can use this knowledge to improve your own advertising efforts and stay ahead of the competition. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tips.